Welcome guys. We're all hands on deck today. Today's Monday morning after the storm, right? So we were dealing with a storm on Saturday. A lot of us had to come in. Not him. He didn't even bother. Did I say that loudly? Am I whispering loud enough, do you think? Yeah. It is slander, yeah. He didn't come in. And we were slogging it, weren't we, Joe? While he was busy with his feet up.
He was trying to get the electric.
Oh, here, I wish. Oh, yeah, he was trying to get... Now, how could you get the electric back up yourself?
You trying?
You were trying. What were you doing?
Turn it off and on.
I turned the plug on and off, but we are here. You ready to go? Okay, so sorry to be interrupted there by Joe. Sales are still what I refer to as down. However, we are doing quite well. Sales have started rising up again. Can I say that? Can I say that? I don't want to say it too much because I'm really worried about them dropping down again. But I've noticed that eBay sales are back on the rise. Are we fully back up? No. I don't know what to say. GPSR is still affecting Northern Irish traders. And we're still getting GPSR reg touches, aren't we?
Yeah.
Have we had cancellations?
No, not that I believe.
Just basically we're hiding this. We're hiding the product listings, right? From 1 minute to the next, we don't know where we stand with GPSR. We know that eBay are constantly doing things. They are, sorry to interrupt you, most of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. So please like, subscribe, and please click on the alert button. Thanks for watching. Slower on the transition. The transition is good for GPSR, but sales are still massively affected. So what we're doing is we're going to do a wee bit today on eBay. I'm going to stand here and look smart as usual while everyone does all the work as usual. You're supposed to say no, Alan, you do all the work.
That's slander. That's stuck. Sorry, that's stuck in the moment there.
You hear the crickets playing? That's going to be on the friggin' video, right? The crickets playing. So we've got Richard. Richard, you're packing books, are you, at the minute? Are you picking books? You're what? What are you onto? Okay. And Dino's hiding. Where is he? Oh, look. Where are you, Dean? I was looking up as well when you said on the ceiling. Oh. So come on around here. Let's have a look what these boys are packing.
Did check at these. I think these are limited edition George Best Gazelles. They're actually sick.
George Best Gazelles?
Yeah, Man United. There's something to do with George Best on them somewhere, allegedly. But there's the Man United emblem in the back. They're actually quite rare, these, I believe.
There you go. And they're George Bests.
Bruh. Smell like George, don't they?
Smell like George. But they're a lovely trainer. Not that I'd wear them. They're quite nice, guys, if you want to have a look at that. 64 quid for them. Ka-ching! Oh, Shen Bourbons. I love Ben Shermans. When I was a young entrepreneur, I used to wear suits with Ben Shermans. Everyone wore them. They were very comfy back one time. But they stopped making them, the ones that I liked. They're quite a nice shoe as well. Problem with my size 12 is that it's hard to get shoes that are stylish because I got a big broad foot. I got a club foot. Anyway, they're quite nice boots or shoes. You're not size 11. Look at the height of you. How could you be size 11?
You know what they say about big feet?
What do they say about big feet? Big shoes? Yeah, big shoes. Is it big shoes? Big socks? Small.
Big shoes, small.
72 quid. Oh, they're lovely. That's quite nice. Oh, cock, they're cute. Lovely pair of shoes. Yes, lovely. Let's have a look at this coat. Oh, Four Seasons of London. John Lewis. It's a John Lewis thing. It's quite nice. Nice jacket. Anything else in fashion? What else are we selling? What else is cool? What about the books? Oh, look. Look. There's a 1973 Buses Annual. How much are you selling that for? £6. Buses Annual. Look, isn't that class? 75p. Back in the old days. I love old books. Can't read. Who's drinking the Frappuccinos? They're so expensive. Why not just make your own and bring it in a bottle? Oh, that's harsh. I hope you didn't hear that one. You know, you're not too big to be smacked down there. Did I see? Oh, thank you. Where's the unicorn? Oh, speaking of unicorns, do you see they banned pride flags in America? Did you hear about that? Have they banned actually pride flags? It's got a bit, but by the way, to me, it's got a bit ridiculous. Well, I'm trisexual. I'll try anything. Boom, boom.
New mascot as well for when we're packing.
Who's that? We should actually put him up on the wall. Here, give him to me.
Alexa, play Rod Stewart.
There you go. Rod Stewart, eh? Is he Celtic, man?
Yeah, maybe.
Does he follow Celtic? Do you want to have a look at... So, oh, God. Oh, I tell you, I'm getting really... Did you hear the cracks in that? Anyway, right, come see this. So these are wee things that we sell, wee batteries. So, as you can see, these are batteries we sell. Little tiny, what they refer to as, I call them replicas, not replicas, for Makita. They're charged by the Makita system, but they're just Chinese variants. Cheap as hell. I mean, they're only like 6 quid, 7 quid. What else have we got? Well, that's a power bank. I haven't seen one of them in ages. Yeah, the solar power one. That's a real class system. Look, guys, watch this. You ready? This opens up. There's your solar panels. And then if you look, it should have a wee indicator that's charging. There you go. See there? It's charging. Isn't that class? They're a great wee item. I love them. And it's got a wee beautiful leather wallet. It's just absolutely superb. If you're ever out in the open, get one of these guys. Look, it hasn't even, what do you call it, light? So, and it's, oh Jesus, that's actually quite black. There's an SOS as well. Does SOS, does flashy lights as well. Look, does SOS as well. Really, really good. I think that's a great wee thing. What else we got? The boxing gloves. Let me see them there. Pull them out. Oh, they're, what do you call it? They're not boxing gloves. They're the other ones. No, they're no of them mitts, you buck Egypt. They're, what do you call it? They're not boxing gloves. They're, what do you call them again? Sparring, no, they're not. Come here, let me see. Throw them over there. They're not, no, they're, what do you call it? So they're not for MMA. They're MMA. Grenade. 87 quid! That's what it says. Retail price, £87. Boardroom price. The frig's a boardroom price. What else we got here? Let's have a look. For those ones who are hard of hearing, we're selling lots of them at the minute. That's for the hearing aids. Go ahead, sir. Sell loads of them. Frig me. I keep getting loads of them in. There's tons of them in stock, you know. I've got thousands of them in stock. You know, in the overstock.
Does anybody out there want to buy 1,000 of them? Because we are sick of
Does anyone know what this is? Well, you do, because you picked it. This is a DJI 3, an old one. A DJI Phantom. One of the old drone batteries, but still, people are buying the batteries. And that's a LipoSafe bag, allegedly. But yet, if you still send that with a LipoSafe bag, people will still take it off you, put it in the wrong courier's position, or wrong courier, whatever they call it. What else we got? What's this? What the hell is that? That is a light, smooth, pony classic, easy grip. What is that? Crochet hook. The size of that fucking thing. What are they crocheting for? Crochet? Crotchy. That's a crotch hook. What else have we got in here? That's a Fame battery. How much that Fame battery cost, actually? I don't know, actually. Doesn't say. Actually. I seem to say actually a lot recently. Here. I tell you what, there. See this here? They're selling like off the rocks at the minute. They are selling like crazy. I hadn't sold them in ages. We brought them over to Lisburn and suddenly they're selling like crazy. What are they? SP65 batteries. What are they for, guys? Can anyone tell me? Who listed them? No, they're not for a phone. They are for a PlayStation Vita. Do you remember the PlayStation Vita?
Yeah.
There's loads of them being sold. People are going back to Vita days. Anyway, that's that one. What else have we got? Anything sexy? What are you guys picking? Anything nice? Oh, hello. Is this all the picking stuff here? You're kidding me. Isopropyl alcohol. Is that one of our own orders? Or was that sold on eBay? Seriously, I thought we were banned from selling it on eBay. For all the alcoholics in the world, 99.99% buy it from me while goings go. I don't condone alcoholism as well, by the way. And I don't condone you buying this stuff from me, so actually I'll hide it and stop. This could be a bit dodgy, you know? What's this? Passive 8.
Chemically resistant passive 8 cathodic protection for bare metals offering more than 90%.
Passive 8, guys. I sell Passive 8 as well. I have no idea what I sell sometimes. What else have we got? Oh, this looks funny. Like one of them LED lamps. You put them on and they're quite cool. Good for a table. There's nothing else really exciting in there. Look at this. Oh, that's a, what do you call it? That's a spatula. That's quite nice. A catula. That's quite cool. Okay, so we'll probably end that for today. We'll let the boys keep doing their packages. Monday's a great day for this. I'm not going to be able to do much other than pick and pack. What was that you sold? Did you sell that? Oh, here we go.
Signed Wolverhampton top from 03-04 season. Any Wolves fans out there want to pick this off our hands?
That's actually a great idea. There's an Arsenal one there as well, yeah. So there's the merchandise, and there is it's Manchester United. Oh, Wolverhampton, sorry. I wouldn't know football. I genuinely don't. And I was only joking. I do know that was Wolves. You know what? You wouldn't be wearing that. If you wear it, you're loony. You put it in a frame. We had someone actually bought, what was it? That one, and it didn't fit them. George Best, was it? What was that shirt? And it came back 3 times because it didn't fit them. Henri, Arsenal top.
2003 season, the goalie kind of one. Yeah, signed by Henri. Yeah, and did go 3 times. We sold it 3 times.
They had, someone kept sending back saying it's too small. And you're going, what the hell are you doing wearing it? You douchebags. Too small. I didn't fit me. It's signed by bloody Henry Henry or whatever. Henry Henry? Terry Henry. Terry Henry. I don't know. Anyway, yes, no, we were saying. I was rudely interrupted by him. So, yes, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If there's anything else you want to ask, please talk about the comments below. Remember, again, I've reminded you guys before, a lot of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. This is how YouTubers die, because people always watch our entertainment and they find that you can't afford to keep doing it. So subscriptions are important to pay the channel, and we ask you politely to please subscribe if you like what we're doing. Thanks for watching. Click the alert button, like and subscribe. I think I said that 100 times. Anyway, I'm going to walk this way. Yeah? Yeah. No, I'll tell you what. You walk off. No, hold on. You walk off. Oh, you bugger off. Yeah, there you go. There we go. Thank you.